Hey, today I'm going to start a giveaway on these awesome Jeep floor mats. Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm going to do a giveaway on my Jeep floor mats right here. These are the ones that came out of the Gladiator that's right there behind me. They're basically brand new. I think I drove it home and took them out and put something else in. But I've had them sitting around and I thought, you know, somebody out there might want them. Maybe you've ruined yours. Well, here's your second chance, your second go around with some brand new, basically, carpeted Jeep floor mats. Again, these are for the Jeep Gladiator. They came out of my 2020 Gladiator right there. So there's a full set. You get two fronts right here and you get two backs right here. Now, what do you have to do to win? Well, there's always some details, right? Made a little bit of note here and some note action so that I remember what I'm doing. First of all, you need to be a subscriber to this channel, and this channel is robmotion. Secondly, you need to subscribe to my other channel, and it is Rob Motive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Thirdly, you need to follow me on Instagram. And my Instagram account for this channel is rob_motion. That's rob_motion. And finally, and fourth, and this is how you really get entered, you need to comment on this video down below with just your Instagram name. That's all I need. Now, there will be a random drawing and the winner will be announced this coming Sunday. That's May 17th. I'm not running this for a month or anything crazy, just a few days. So on Monday, or Sunday rather, May 17th, I'll announce the winner. So make sure you click that notification bell so that when that video pops up, you don't miss out. Now, make sure that you state your Instagram name correctly, right? Because I'm going to be contacting whatever name is given to me in the comments. So if you leave something out like an underscore, a dash, a dot, or whatever, that person's going to win. It's the only way I can verify that the person that wins is indeed you, or hopefully you. Next up, I will contact you on Instagram. You have 48 hours to get back with me. I'll ask you what your address is. Once I choose the winner, you'll have to respond with your address, obviously, so I can ship these fine floor mats out to you. Last up, this contest is only open to the 48 contiguous United States. Why? Because of shipping. I'm not making $1 million on this channel, so I kind of have to watch my costs a little bit. That's why. It's because of shipping costs. These are rather big and heavy. So you have to live within the 48 contiguous United States of America. Anyway, I'm doing this as kind of a thank you to you guys. I appreciate all the subscribers I've gotten on this channel so far, and I hope for big things to come yet. So thank you, you guys. I hope this is something that a lot of folks are interested in, and good luck. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the web. Bye.